Good morning from Newcastle, where in just a few hours' time, tens of thousands of people are going to be lining up here to take part in the 43rd Great North Run.
Hello there. It's been a cool and misty start to the weekend along the east coast of Scotland, and that har is moving inland through the central belt. Other parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland enjoyed a lot of sunshine again on Saturday, and temperatures into the mid-20s.
Good morning. It's a cooler day for all of us today. There's some mist, fog and low cloud in the north, some sunny spells and some heavy showers and thunderstorms in the south. Morning to you at home as well. You may well have been woken up overnight if you were across parts of southern England, the London region in particular. This is what the skies looked like. So we've had some big showers and some thunderstorms that have been rattling their way gradually northwards across really the southern half of the UK over recent hours. And through the course of today, it's going to be a slightly cooler and a cloudier sort of day than we've seen recently.
Misty behind you.
Yes, it is, isn't it? Yeah, morning to you, Nina and Roger. Morning to you, everyone. Misty, murky, mild, some drizzly rain around. This is how it looks for quite a lot of people this morning. So the picture in Dudley, Hales Owen at the moment. But it's going to be a mix of weather types today. Not as warm as it has been over the past few days across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And of course, a Great North Run today. It's quite a murky, foggy start to things. There will be some rain around, I think, through the course of the day, but not too hot for the runners, only around about 15 degrees or so. But you will need your brolly if you're heading to spectate.
Brolly's at the ready. Sarah, thank you.
I think summer has gone after that.
It's just like into September gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, best of luck to anybody getting up and having that big breakfast ahead of the run. 7:45, let's check in with Sarah and a look at the
runner.
weather.
You wouldn't have a big breakfast.
That shows how good I am at it.
Sorry, Sarah.
Good morning to you. Yes, a little bit drizzly there, wasn't it, in Newcastle? And I think we're going to see on and off rain for the Great North Run. But we're looking a bit further north, Shetland Isles. This is as the sun has risen this morning. Just a final taste of summer, I think, there today, because the weather is turning more autumnal for all of us over the next couple of days. So cooler, more unsettled. Morning to you, everyone. Bit of a mixed picture out there once again today. We've got some contrasts across the UK. Quite a lot of us have got a lot of cloud and heavy showers around. This is the picture in Northamptonshire at the moment, though, and you can see there is a bit of blue sky breaking through as well. So a mixed day.
And as I say, it's the world's biggest and best half marathon. It'll wind its way from Newcastle to South Shields. Alison Freeman is waiting to speak to us there. Just, I think, up above the start line there, Alison, are you?
Yeah, that's right, Roger. If you look back in the distance, it's just starting to fill up. A few people getting ready to get to the start there. That's the beginning of the route here in central Newcastle, and it travels all the way along the central motorway, over there, over the Tyne Bridge, and of course to South Shields at the seafront there. Now, the first race, the wheelchair race, kicks off at 10:25. A variety of other races go off after that, and then at 5 to 11, that's when the elite men's and all of those thousands of people who are raising money for charity start off. Now, the charity side of it is really important.
Good afternoon to you. Well, it's been a thundery second half of the weekend. We saw some big thunderstorms across southern areas last night. This thundery low sitting across England and Wales will generate more storms. Some sunshine too, outbreaks of heavy rain, but it will be drier further north that you are.
Evening to you. It's been a lively 24 hours with those thunderstorms last night and today. We've largely lost the threat of those now. No Met Office weather warnings left with us, and a lot of dry weather in the coming days, but becoming much cooler in feel. We'll feel like autumn is here midweek.
Good evening. Big change in the way it feels as we go through this week. That change has already started to take place in the northwest, and with it, it'll be unsettled, be quite windy with some colder nights as well.
A very good evening to you. Quite breezy for many of us in the next 24 hours or so. September sunshine set to return as we slide into a new week, and feeling a little cooler than we'd like it to be.